This is Chapter 5, Packet Tracer 5.5.5.2, and it's the last packet tracer in the chapter. And we're going to be using CDP as a network discovery tool. So a little bit of background. Cisco Discovery Protocol, or CDP, is an ISO Layer 2 protocol that operates between Cisco devices, such as routers and switches. CDP messages contain information about the device, such as the device ID, platform, connected interface, Cisco iOS software version, and Layer 3 address. Because CDP operates at Layer 2, only directly connected devices exchange information. So the first thing we want to do is view the CDP configuration settings. So we're going to go to Router 1. And we're going to issue the show CDP command. And the output shows timer and version information. Now we can issue the show CDP question mark. And finally issue the command show CDP interface. If I could type right. Show. The output shows timer information for all the interfaces on the router. You specify a particular interface to show timer information for that interface only. Okay, in step 2, we're going to view the CDP neighbor information. A router builds a table of information about neighboring devices from CDP messages received from those devices. On Router 1, we're going to issue the show CDP neighbors command. Okay, and a single line of information is displayed for each device. Information is displayed for switch 1 and router 2, which are directly connected, but not for router 3, which is not directly connected. So, as you can see, router 2 is directly connected and switch 1 is, but not router 3. So, that's the reason we see information for switch 1 and router 2. Now we're going to disable and enable CDP globally on a router. So we're going to go to the second router, and we're going to issue the command to show the neighbors. As you can see, each line's information, switch 2, router 3, and router 1. Okay, so now we're going to enter the global configuration mode. And we're going to do a no CDP run to disable the CDP on the router. Now we can exit the global configuration mode and issue that show CDP neighbors again. And you can see that we did successfully shut down CDP. Okay, now let's go and take a look at the information that we're going to get from router 1. See if we can do a show CDP neighbors on this one. Okay, now we're going to go back to router 2. And we're going to enter the global configuration mode and issue the CDP run command to enable the CDP on the router. So we're going to enable the CDP again on this. So we need to go to our global configuration mode and CDP run. Okay, you may want to stop information on a Cisco device to an untrusted network, meaning if the part of the Cisco device is on the outside of the network, you may want to disable CDP on a specific interface. So to do this, we were going to enter the global configuration mode, which we are in, and we can select an interface and turn off the CDP feature on that specific interface. So the interface that we don't want to have CDP enabled on is the serial interface. So we can simply type in interface 0/0 /1, and we're going to issue the no CDP enable command, and this will disable the CDP on the interface. Now the only thing left is to check our results, and we have successfully used CDP to discover information about our neighbors.